Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best Singer sewing machines that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4423 with 23 built-in stitches sewing machine and 60% stronger motor. This Singer machine is the best one for you. It has a stainless steel metal frame bed plate that has extra duty. It has a speed of 1100 stitch per minute. Containing 23 inbuilt stitches patterns, some for leather sewing option, and also has auto needle threader. This 4423 is a very easy and fast to operate. The machine provides you with a lot of accessories, for example, a zipper foot, all-purpose foot, a buttonhole foot, bobbins, a button sewing foot, a pack of needles, a soft-sided dust cover and a thread spool caps. Additionally, it is very durable and sturdy, hence this machine will work for many years. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Singer 7258 100 stitch, 76 decorative stitches computerized sewing machine, finest sewing machine for quilting. This sewing machine is a 2x Consumers Digest Award winner. Singer 7258 has got this award for of its ease of use, styling, performance, features, warranty, quality of construction, efficiency and servicing and maintenance requirements. This sewing machine contains all one require to begin his or her sewing activities. It has many features and hard built-in sturdy design, making it a great choice. With the assistance of its features can make elegant and exciting designs. At number 3, we have the Singer Quantum Portable Stylist 9960 computerized sewing machine with electronic auto-pilot mode. Another incredible Singer machine in the market is the Singer Computerized sewing machine. The machine is a slight higher priced compared to other Singers available in the market, but then again with good reason. This Singer 9960 usually makes the sewing life very easy and is classified as one of the best Singer computerized machines. It will automatically adjust the sewing for you, hence there will be no setting the width and length of the stitch. Its 600 inbuilt stitches are perfect for all sewing styles from leather to quilting work. At number 2, we have the Singer 4432 heavy-duty sewing machine with automatic needle threader, 32 built-in stitches, perfect for sewing all fabrics with ease. The 4432 sewing machine has been used for a long time as Singer machine. It has a lot of improved features with automatic processes. The machine is considered for advanced to intermediate sewers. Since it has 32 dissimilar built-in stitches, the sewing machine could be utilized to craft many of your projects. Stitch length and width can simply be customized as required. It also has automatic reverse function that makes it easy to work with. It has a foot control feature which enables you to control the sewing speed. The built-in storage space makes it suitable to access accessories you require. And finally, at number 1, we have the Singer Start 1304 with 6 built-in stitches, sewing machine, free arm, best for beginners. The sewing machine is a simple, basic and simple to use mechanical sewing machine. It's a great selection for novices because it has 6 built-in stitches that has preset stitch length and stitch width. You only choose your stitch and begin sewing. This Singer 1304 sewing machine usually comes with 25-year of warranty. This Singer 1304 has a lot of other specifications, for example, automatic bobbin winding system, easy stitch selection, built-in reverse, free arm, easy threading, extra high-pressure foot lifter and adjustable tension settings.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.